Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Luna Classic update. Thank you for 20,000 people who have been following. That is huge. And yeah, so last day for entering the premium as well. You can just click on my name and message me. That's all. So link is in the description. So the thing is that Luna Classic, quite boring, quite sideways. We saw a little bit of a pump previously. But one thing I saw is that Luna Classic might be printing in a falling wedge, right? This is a clear-cut falling wedge at the moment. I've been trying to figure out what's going on, what's happening, and this and that. And a part of market psychology says that, you know what, sometimes all you have to do is restart, right? Because every single day you have things changing on. And when I hit the restart button, I just noticed that there is something going on in here, and it looks like this, and also something going on in there that looks pretty much something like that as well. So you do have a wedge, and we may see some drops coming in another couple of days until 9 January. So 9 January is the maximum time for this wedge. So all I see is a move down, a move up, a move down, move up, move up, move down, and eventually maybe come down like this, take out 13,000 once again, and take the stop loss, even though I gave you the stop loss of 13,000, I know, and eventually pop up, and boom, you shoot up to 20,000. I can actually see something like that happen. People have turned bearish. I think the market sentiments that says that ever since Luna Classic did this, people went from bullish to bearish, number one. Number two is the more boring it is, the more people are going to get weak, and they're going to cash out, right? So the more you consolidate, the more painful it becomes, and people just sell it off, become bored, and walk away, which gives opportunity to big traders to buy cheap, number one, and they're more smart and more patient than probably most of you, and they know what they're doing, and you don't know what you're doing. So basically don't do what the rookie stuff really do. Not a financial advice. The thing is that I may actually expect this little bit of another sideways, and then eventually pop off the falling wedge and come up here. The date, maximum date until you wait, is 9 January. I think that's all I can say about the video at the moment, and I do hope you get a nice 2024 in the future, and I'm going to see you the next one. I love this.